YouTube is an American online video sharing platform that was founded in February 2005 by three former PayPal employees, Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim. The website allows users to upload, view, and share videos, and has grown to become one of the most popular websites on the internet. In this paper, we will explore how YouTube started, its founders, how it grew to become the powerhouse it is today, how to make money on the platform, and its future outlook. How YouTube started. YouTube was founded by three former PayPal employees, Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim, who came up with the idea of creating a platform where people could share videos. The idea for YouTube came about after they had difficulty sharing videos of a dinner party they had attended. At the time, there were no video sharing sites, and the three founders saw an opportunity to create a platform that could fill this gap. In February 2005, the first video was uploaded to the site, and YouTube was officially launched. The video, titled "Me at the Zoo," was uploaded by Jawed Karim and showed him standing in front of the elephant exhibit at the San Diego Zoo. This video has since become an iconic piece of YouTube history and has been viewed over 130 million times. How YouTube grew. YouTube's growth was initially slow, but it gained traction after a viral video of a dance called The Evolution of Dance was uploaded in 2006. This video quickly went viral and garnered millions of views, putting YouTube on the map as a platform for viral content. The platform's growth continued as more and more people began using it to share their own videos, and in 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion. Since then, YouTube has continued to grow and has become a dominant force in online video. It has over 2 billion monthly active users and is the second most visited website in the world, after Google. YouTube has become a platform for content creators who use the site to share their videos and reach a global audience. How to make money on YouTube. YouTube provides several ways for content creators to make money on the platform. One of the most popular ways is through advertising revenue. Creators can monetize their videos by allowing YouTube to place ads on their content, and they receive a percentage of the revenue generated from those ads. Creators can also make money through brand partnerships and sponsorships. This involves working with brands to promote their products or services in their videos. Creators can also sell merchandise, such as t-shirts or other branded items, through the platform. The future of YouTube. YouTube's future looks bright, with the platform continuing to grow and evolve. One of the biggest changes on the horizon is the increasing focus on mobile. YouTube has already launched a mobile app, but it is expected to continue to invest in mobile technology and make the platform more accessible on mobile devices. Another trend is the increasing popularity of live streaming. YouTube has already launched a live streaming feature, but it is expected to become more widely used in the future. This will allow content creators to interact with their audiences in real time and will provide new opportunities for monetization. YouTube has become a global phenomenon and has revolutionized the way we consume video content. It started as a small video sharing site but has grown to become one of the most visited websites in the world. The platform has provided new opportunities for content creators to reach a global audience and make money through advertising, brand partnerships, and merchandise sales. With the increasing focus on mobile and live streaming, YouTube's future looks bright, and the platform is expected to continue to grow and evolve in the coming years.